class. I hope all of you are well and good at your home. In previous class we discussed limiting and excess reagent as well as reactions in solution. Also we discussed there are two components of solution. One which is present in lesser amount is called a solute and one which is present in excess amount is called solvent. And the amount of solute present in the given quantity of solvent it's a concentration. And there are various ways to express concentration such as mass percent, volume percent and parts per million. And now we are going to discuss some another way to express concentration. Okay, so moving on, mole fraction. Mole fraction is another way to express concentration. Then what is mole fraction? It is the ratio of number of molecules of a particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. Okay, so mole fraction क्या है? Number of moles of a particular component और total moles of solution का ratio है. Okay, so simply if a substance A dissolved in a substance B, we prepare a solution in which we dissolve substance A in substance B and their respective number of moles are Na and Nb. Number of moles of A is Na and the number of moles of substance B is Nb. So mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A is equals to number of moles of A divided by total number of moles of solution. That means it is equals to Na over Na plus Nb. Here Na is number of moles of substance A and Na plus Nb is total number of moles of solution. And for the mole fraction of B, number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solution, total number of moles of solution. That means Nb over Na plus Nb. Here Nb is number of moles of substance B and Na plus Nb is total number of moles of solution. Okay, so for a given substance we can calculate mole fraction by applying this reaction, by applying this equation. Okay, so mole fraction is another way to express concentration. And what is mole fraction? It is a ratio of number of moles of a particular substance to the total number of moles of solution. And mole fraction of particular substance is equals to number of moles of a substance divided by total number of moles of solution. Okay, so from this data we can calculate mole fraction of a particular substance. Then moving on, the another way to express concentration. Now moving on, and another way to express concentration is molarity. Molarity is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution is called molarity and it is denoted by capital M. So molarity क्या है आपका? Number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Okay, so here molarity capital M is equals to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in 1 liter, or we can simply say number of moles of solute जितने भी present होंगे 1 liter of solution में, तो वो आपका हो जाएगा 1 molarity का solution prepare हो जाएगा. And the unit for molarity is mole per liter. And if we have given 1 molarity solution of any substance in laboratory, say sodium hydroxide solution, तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का 1 मोलरिटी का सॉल्यूशन अगर आपको गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर एन अनदर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ मोलरिटी 0.2 m. ओके, सो 1 molarity of sodium hydroxide means 1 mole of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter, that means 1000 milliliter of water. So 1000 मिलीलीटर ऑफ वाटर में 1 मोल ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का मतलब है 1 मोलरिटी सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. This is already prepared in laboratory and we have to prepare from this molarity solution. We have to prepare 0.2 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so for 0.2 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide we take 0.2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Obvious है हम 0.2 moles लेंगे सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के. एंड मोल्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 mole of sodium hydroxide means mass of sodium hydroxide divided by molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so by applying this formula we can calculate mole of sodium hydroxide. mass of sodium hydroxide आपको given होगा और molar mass आप calculate करेंगे by using atomic masses. Okay, so then moles तो आपको पता है. अब what amount of solvent we take to prepare 0.2 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide. तो हम अब कितना अमाउंट लें? जब 1 मोलरिटी सॉल्यूशन के लिए हमने 1000 ml ऑफ वाटर लेने हैं तो 0.2 मोलरिटी सॉल्यूशन के लिए हम कितना वाटर, कितना ml वाटर हम यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो मोल्स तो हम इस फॉर्मूले से अप्लाई करेंगे और हमें मोल्स मिल जाएंगे सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट in liter. So by using this formula M1V1 is equals to M2V2. Here M1 is 0.2 moles of sodium hydroxide into 1000 ml of water and M2 is 1.0 mole of sodium hydroxide and V2 is amount of solvent required to prepare 0.2 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so V2 is equals to 0.2 into 1000 divided by 1.0, that means 200 ml of water. Okay, so 200 ml of water में अगर हम 0.2 moles of sodium hydroxide add करेंगे, so we prepare a solution of molarity 0.2. From 1 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide we prepare 0.2 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide. तो जो भी आपको given रहता है 1 molarity का solution sodium hydroxide का in laboratory, और जो अगर हमें require होगा as per our need, हम क्या कर सकते हैं उस given molarity के solution को another molarity के solution में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, change कर सकते हैं. ओके, फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. देन उसके बाद हम वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि कितना अमाउंट हमें सॉल्वेंट का रिक्वायर होगा टू प्रिपेयर अ गिवन और रिक्वायर्ड सॉल्यूशन, रिक्वायर्ड मोलरिटी सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो दिस इज अनदर वे टू एक्सप्रेस concentration is molarity. Now moving on, molality, and another way to express concentration. Molality is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solution. Simply, number of moles of solute in 1 kilogram of solution is called molality and it is denoted by small m. So molality is equals to number of moles of solute in mass of solvent in 1 kilogram. Simply, we have given such problem that the density of 3 molarity solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram milliliter inverse. Calculate molality of the solution. Okay, so we have given such problems in chemistry to calculate molality, either molarity. Okay, so in a given problem we have given molarity which is equals to 2 mole liter inverse and we have to firstly calculate mass of NaCl in 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution. Here we have given 3 molarity solution. So 3 into molar mass of NaCl, which is 58.5, and from this we get 175.5 gram of NaCl in this given solution. And now we have to calculate mass of 1 liter of solution. Here we have given density of NaCl. So density, as density is equals to mass over volume, so mass is equals to density into volume. Volume is 1000 ml and density is 1.25. So we get 1250 gram of solution. Okay, so now we have to calculate mass of water in given solution. So mass of water in 1 liter of solution is equals to 1250 minus 175.5 gram of NaCl. So what we get? We get mass of water by subtracting mass of solution, mass of NaCl from mass of solution. Okay, so we get 1074 gram of water present in 1 liter of solution. Now we have to calculate molarity. Molarity. Okay, so molarity is equals to number of moles of solute, which is given 3, and it is divided by mass of solvent in kilogram, which is 107.45. Okay, so 107.45. 107.4 gram is it in gram, and now we convert this quantity into kilogram. So this gives 10745 kilogram. On further simplifying, we get molarity of this prepared to this given solution, which is equal to 2.79 mole in kilogram, mole per kilogram simply. Okay, so in chemistry we have given such problem and we have to find out molarity and molality. Okay, so first of all we have to find out some quantity, such in this case we have to find out mass of water, and some quantity is given here. So by applying appropriate steps we can calculate molarity as well as molality. Okay, so that's all for today. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.